Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. Now for this we will need a computer and a cable that you can plug into it, obviously. And there's so it's already plugged in, and all I need to do is connect it. Now once it's connected, you'll want to turn it off. So let's swipe down on the notification, expand it, and select our power button. Select power off, and once the device turns off, meaning right now, you want to hold power key and volume up. So hold both of those keys at the same time. You'll have, there we go, you'll feel a vibration, and after that it adds the Samsung with the Galaxy under it, at which point you can let go of the keys, and this will boot you into Android recovery mode. Now in here, as you will see, the touch screen doesn't work, so you need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key is used to confirm whatever is selected on the screen. So with that in mind, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it with power key, then select yes, again confirm with that, and there we go. At the bottom you can see cache wipe complete. Reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once again, and this initiates a reboot. And also, well, takes you back to Android. And the cable that you used to plug in your device can be now unplugged. And here we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.